Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Hope all are keeping well. Children, this is our online classes and this is subject EVS. Children, as you know that we are learning lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. In this lesson, in the previous lecture, we have learnt about how to use directions in the map. How to use directions in the map reading. Okay. So, children, today we are going to learn about some important thing. Okay. Before going to tell you what we are going to learn today, let me ask you a question. Children, every day in the school we were having a pledge. Yes or no? Do you remember? I hope you do remember. And what is that? India is my country. Yes or no? India is my country. In this sentence, country is the word. Okay. And which is our country? India. What is name of our country? India. So if I will ask you, what is the name of our state? In which state do we live? Correct. Maharashtra. We live in Maharashtra. And now, in which district do we live? Name of our district? Correct. Nasik. And what is the name of our taluka? Yes, correct. Absolutely correct. It is Yeola. So, we are living in Yeola taluka. So, when I ask you questions, that time I used some words. Country, state, district, taluka, these words I have used. Am I right? So, today we are going to get the information about these all words. Okay? Dear children, as you know that we live in the house and our house is built on the land. Correct? Our house is built on the land. And this vast section of the land on the earth means you will find land on the earth everywhere. So this vast section of the land on the earth is called continent. What is it? Continent. The vast section of the land is called continent. So we live on the land and the part of the land on the earth is called continent. Then the remaining part of the earth is occupied by the water, salt water. The remaining part of the land is occupied by the salt water and that is called as ocean. You will find salt water in the ocean. So, this is land and this is a part of water. Okay. Here is land and here is water. So, our earth is occupied by the land and some part of our earth is occupied by the salt water also. Understood? So, the part where land is there, it's called as continent. Okay? It's called as continent. And these are the continents. Children, the earth is also called as world. Okay? So, the part of earth where there is land is called as continent. The part of earth where there is land is called as continent. And the part of earth where there is water, salt water, is called as ocean. Okay? Once again, give attention. The part of earth where there is land is called as continent. Okay? Here is land is called as continent. And the part of earth where there is water, salt water, is called as ocean. Okay. So, if we will see continent, there are total 7 continents. Okay, on the earth there are total 7 continents, and in these 7 continents there are different types of countries. Okay, in 7 continents different types of countries are there. So in continents there are countries. Okay, there are countries. Now what is mean by country? India is our country. Okay, so like India, other countries are there in the world, and these countries are there in different continents. Okay, what is mean by continent? The part of the land on the earth. So there are continents, 7 continents, and in these 7 continents there are so many countries. Okay, so countries. So in the country, take example of country as India. India is a country. Okay, these are examples. So India is a country. So in the country there are states. In the country there are states. So in the country there are states. So we live in India. We live in India. India is a country. But in the India, we live in the state Maharashtra. So which is our state? Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state. So in the country, there are states. Now we live in Maharashtra, and now let's see, there are different states in India and we live in Maharashtra, but there are different districts in the Maharashtra. There are different districts in the Maharashtra. In each state there are different districts. So there are districts in different states. Now children, we live in Maharashtra, but in which district do we live? In Nasik. Our district is Nasik. Am I right? So we are living in the Maharashtra, in the Nasik district. So in the states there are districts, and in the districts there are talukas. In the districts there are talukas. So example, we live in Nasik district and we live in which taluka? Yevla. So we live in Yevla taluka. Okay. So in the states there are districts, and in the districts there are talukas. Okay, is it clear for you? Now in the talukas there are many villages. There are many villages. Okay, in the talukas there are many villages. If you see in Yevla taluka there are different types of villages. I hope you understood continents, ocean. Then in continents there are many countries. In one country there can be many states. In one state there are many districts. In districts there are talukas, and in talukas there are villages. Okay, there are different types of villages. There are many villages in the talukas. Understood? So children, I hope you understood about this, all the points, and now tomorrow we will see exactly in the map how to read the map and how to find out the states, how to find out the districts, talukas in the maps. Okay, so tomorrow our activity will be map reading. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.